I've launched satellites into orbit, built and exited companies in fintech and space tech, and coached over 250 founders, including those from Techstars and Y Combinator. But here's what I learned the hard way. The engineering brilliance that got you here will sabotage you as a founder. In this video, I'll share 5 costly mindset traps that keep brilliant tech founders stuck. Mistakes that nearly killed my first startup and the ones I see repeatedly in my coaching. Let's jump straight in, because the first shift alone will change how you approach every business decision. Mistake number 5, the corporate comfort zone trap. Coming in at number 5 is assuming your existing skill cache will transfer directly to startup success. Here's what I mean. When I made the leap from large corporation to a startup founder, I brought every tool, process, thinking pattern with me. After all, these skills had made me successful before, right? But I quickly discovered I was like a deep sea diver trying to climb a mountain with scuba gear, completely equipped for a wrong environment. The corporate world rewards optimization, following proven playbooks, and minimizing risk. Startup world rewards experimentation, creating new playbooks and taking calculated risks. This requires fundamentally different mental models. The costly mistake here is thinking you can just apply your existing skills. Instead, you need to consciously build a new cache of entrepreneurial skills and mental frameworks. It's not about throwing away your technical expertise. It's about adding entrepreneurial thinking on top of it. Think of it like learning a new programming language. Your logic and problem-solving foundation transfers, but the syntax, libraries, and best practices are completely different. You have to step outside your comfort zone and deliberately practice new patterns. Mistake number 4, the Ivory Tower Development Mindset. The fourth mistake is isolation from market feedback, treating your startup like it's an art project instead of a business experiment. I see this constantly with technical founders I coach, and I fell into this trap myself. We take pride in creating something beautiful and complex in our heads, then surprising the market with our genius. But here's the harsh reality. Customers don't care about your elegant code architecture or your innovative technical solution. They care about whether you are solving a problem they actually have. The mindset comes from our technical background, where we are rewarded for deep, focused work and creating something that works perfectly before showing it to anyone. But startups aren't engineering projects. They are market experiments. The founders I coach learn this the hard way. They spend months perfecting features and optimizing details without talking to a single potential customer. Then they launch and discover the market wanted something completely different. The mindset shift here is from perfect then reveal to reveal then perfect. Your job is to build the right thing in isolation. It's to discover what the right thing is through constant market dialogue. Mistake number 3, the Efficiency Perfectionist Trap. Mistake number 3 is confusing being busy with being effective, focusing on urgent tasks instead of important outcomes. As engineers, we're trained to be hyper-efficient problem solvers. We see a problem, we solve it immediately. We pride ourselves on the ability to handle complex, multiple work streams. But here's what I discovered the hard way. As a startup founder, you cannot solve all the problems on your plate. I reached this breaking point when I thought I could do everything because I was efficient. But efficiency without effectiveness is just organized failure. I was effectively solving the wrong problems while important outcomes, customer acquisitions, revenue growth, market validations got pushed aside for urgent technical issues. The mindset shift here is from I can do everything to I must choose the right everything. Every task you say yes to means saying no to something else. The question isn't, can I solve this? But should I be the one solving this right now? It's like difference between optimizing code performance and optimizing business performance. Both matter, but at different stages. One is far more critical than the other. Mistake number 2, the solo genius complex. The second costly mistake is believing you need to learn everything yourself instead of delegating effectively. This one hits close to home because as technical people, we are used to being able to figure out things out. Give us documentation, time, and coffee, and we can master almost any system. This becomes our identity, the person who can learn anything. But here's the reality check I had to face. While I pride myself on being able to learn everything, learning takes time. And in a startup, the learning curves you need to climb become exponential. Marketing, sales, finance, operations, legal, fundraising, each of this is deep specialty that takes years to master. The mindset shift here isn't about admitting weakness. It's about recognizing that your superpower as a founder isn't knowing everything. It's knowing who knows everything. Your job becomes assembling the right expertise rather than becoming the expert in everything. Think of it as system architecture. You don't try to handle every function in one massive monolithic application. You break it into specialized services that excel in their specific function. Your startup team should work the same way. Mistake number 1, the technical superiority bias. And the number 1 costly mindset mistake, the one at the root of many others, is believing that engineering excellence alone will drive business success. For the longest time, I avoided learning marketing and sales because I genuinely believed engineering was the most important thing. Build something amazing and customers will find you, right? While engineering is still critically important, I learned that without sales and marketing, your innovations will stay in the garage, like many of mine did. This bias runs deep because as technical founders, we have been rewarded our entire careers for solving complex technical problems. We see business and marketing as less rigorous or somehow beneath our skill level. But here's the uncomfortable truth. The best technical solution rarely wins. The solution that reaches the right customers with right message wins. The mindset shift here is profound. From build it and they will come to find them, understand them, and then build what they need. Technical excellence becomes the foundation, not the entire strategy. The most successful technical founders I know didn't abandon their engineering mindset. They expanded it. They approach marketing and sales with the same systematic experimental rigor they bring to code. These mindset shifts aren't just philosophical. They're practical frameworks that can dramatically reduce your startup's downside while maximizing your potential upside. The beautiful thing is you already have the core skill that matters most: systematic problem solving. You just need to apply it to business problems and not just technical ones. Each of these shifts can be implemented immediately, but the compound effect of changing how you think about entrepreneurship, that's where the real leverage happens. If you want to dive deeper into these mindset frameworks and get specific playbooks for making these transitions, click the button below to schedule a discovery session. Until next time, remember, your technical skills got you to the starting line, but your entrepreneurial thinking gets you across the finish line.